Oh, you brought him in.
No butler. Not for the kitty.
Yeah, I'm gonna help him. He can't get up.
Here, flip him over. So he can touch the screen. There.
That's how he's gonna molt. Oh, there we go. This takes a while.
Well, have you ever had to pull your exoskeleton off?
Yes.
No, you haven't.
My butt. I had to peel my skin off.
Yeah, that's your skin. That's not your exoskeleton.
Aww.
We're waiting on him still.
Yep. Butler, stop it. Ooh, I can every now and then just see him moving like.
Mm-hmm.
What if he flies away?
Well, he can't fly when he first comes out. His wings are still wet.
So it takes like a couple hours.
Yeah, he's got to dry his wings and...
Like an hour.
What?
Butler's putting her nose on my shoulder.
Well, she doesn't understand why you're not paying attention to her.
What? But. Yeah, I get it, but there's more important things at hand right now.
Isn't he cute?
Yeah. Especially when he's getting out of his little exoskeleton.
Oh, there's his little face. See him?
Yeah, I see his face.
Don't touch him. His wings aren't stuck out and dry.
That was actually part of him.
What?
That part.
That is.
No, like part of this.
Oh.
So they don't come out of the back?
That is the back.
I thought that just split all the way down.
No.
Oh, I get it now. Because I thought that, like...
Don't touch him.
I thought that part was...
No,
was the shell. And then that was just him coming out of the front. But nah.
Do you see his little face?
Yeah, it's adorable. Ooh, that's a pretty crystal.
I don't even know where that came from. It just appeared.
Can I have it then?
No, I assume it appeared for a reason.
Please.
I'll put it in something for you.
I want earrings. Like little crystal earrings. Mom, he's starting too.
Is he?
Yeah.
Finally get set somewhere to where he can start?
He's starting too. So we're having two. That's awesome. Oh, no, he's grappling again.
You quit jiggling around all over my bed?
I'm trying to get up here.
Jeez, fat lard.
Are you sure walking around with this much muscle?
Oh,
Look at that, I'm strong.
Yeah. You're a regular Arnold Schwarzenegger.
What?
Nothing. Quit looking at yourself in my mirror, you freak.
I'm just looking at my muscles.
Okay.
Me. Those moves.